Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Elantra key fob battery. Begin by gathering a small flathead screwdriver, a CR2032 battery, and a clean towel. Remove the emergency key from the fob, then pry gently at the seam to open the case. Replace the old battery with the new CR2032, matching polarity, and snap the case closed securely. Finally, test the buttons to confirm the fob transmits properly. Start by sliding out the emergency key and locating the case seam. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently twist at the seam until the two halves separate. Carefully lift out the battery using plastic tweezers or a non-metal tool to avoid shorting contacts. Place the new CR2032 battery with the plus sign facing up and press it into the holder until secure. Reassemble the fob by snapping the halves back together and reinserting the key. If your key fob does not work after replacing the battery, first verify the CR2032 is oriented correctly and fully seated. Inspect the contacts for dirt or corrosion and clean them lightly with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Try pressing each button a few times to ensure proper contact. If problems persist, replace the battery again or consult the vehicle manual for fob reprogramming steps or dealer assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.